How to fix the access denied error on Windows 11. To fix the access denied error on Windows 11, try 1. Set your account to administrator via Control User Passwords 2 tool. 2. Disable any third-party antivirus software. 3. Check your system's permissions and ensure your account is listed. 4. Enable the hidden administrator account. Run netuser administrator/active, yes command as admin. Then log off current account and use the newly enabled administrator account. And reuse your account after logging off the newly enabled administrator account, again. 5. Google How-to 5. Take ownership of the file, fast. 6. Disable the default admin under the users group in computer management. And add your account in the administrator groups.